Yo, what's poppin', guys? Sizzle here, and today I'm going to be doing a very basic beginner's guide on how to get faster in Mario Kart Wii, like instantly, without really putting in any effort. So the first thing should be pretty obvious. After the 2 pops up on your screen, you just hold A, and you get faster, just like that. That already makes you faster. I'll show that off as soon as the level loads. It actually takes a while because I'm in a modded version of the game. But yeah, the second the 2 pops up, right now, then I hold A, and boom, I get a starting boost, and I'm faster. Now, another thing along the same lines is if you die and you respawn, you can actually press A the second you touch the ground, and you get a boost, just like that. It's a lot better than the alternative. Let's say I don't press A, right? I'll just fall, for example. If I don't press A and I just hold A or whatever, you can see it takes like almost double the time to get started. That's actually a really important thing in Mario Kart Wii. If you get hit with something, or if you, let's say you fail the A press, like let's say I press it now and I don't get it, instead of just holding A, if you have no speed, it is faster to hold forward and back, and this will charge a mini turbo, and just let this go as soon as you get it, and this is still faster than actually just holding A. This is mainly used like if you get hit with like a red shell or like a green shell or something. Just basically if you get hit with any item or like even like a blue shell. Basically if you get hit with something and you lose all your speed, what you want to do is this, unless you're really close to a ramp. So let's say I wasn't actually going this way and I was going this way, and I got hit with something. Instead of charging that mini turbo, I just back up a little and I get all my speed back. Another really quick thing is delay drifting. So basically, when most people drift, you basically just hold the direction and the drift button, and that's fine and all, and that's okay, but it is actually just faster to do a thing called delay drifting, where basically you press the drift button, so like you hop, and then when you land, then you press the direction. So instead of holding left the whole time, I only want to press left as soon as like the hop ends. So right, so I want to hop here and then hold left. And that's always faster. I don't really know the full logic behind it. If you want to know the full logic, there's a guy named Arkintel who makes some really, really good videos that are a lot more in depth than this one on every single mechanic in the game. So you can watch his tutorials to learn to play the game a bit better. Or if you did all this stuff and you want to get even faster, just go to his channel. He does a lot of good stuff there. And yeah, so basically that is a way to get faster. And then another really simple thing, and this one's even more simple, it's not even like a mechanical thing. You basically, every time that you let go of a boost, you want to wheelie. If you're not drifting, basically, you want to be wheeling almost every single time. It is just faster to wheelie, and if you wheelie after a drift, it's even faster. So, for example, right, this would be after a drift, you get the same boost from this as you do a normal drift. If I just let it go and go like that, you know, I go, yeah, alright, not horrible, but if I do it, I literally go, like, double the speed, and that adds up really fast when you're doing that all over the place, and after every single turn. It's really, really easy to do, and it's the easiest way to get faster that I see a lot of people not doing. Doing it right after you let go of a drift is actually really important, because the way the wheelie works is it maintains speed or hits the speed cap. So if I let go of it after a drift where I have a higher speed, I will actually wheelie at a faster speed than normal. Versus just normally wheeling, you'll see, let's say I'm going like normal speed like this. If I wheelie now, it is slower than if I do here. Just that's really useful to know. And the final thing is you don't want to get a lot of airtime in this game. That's actually a thing across almost every Mario Kart, I'm pretty sure. It is faster to be on the ground almost always. So in order to stay on the ground more, what you can do is after going off a ramp or something, if you hold forward on your controller, your cart will actually tilt forward and you'll have less airtime. And if you hold backward, it does the opposite. So if I were to go here and hold back, you can see I stay in the air a lot longer and my cart starts tilting backwards. Or not cart, bike, whatever, you know what I mean, my vehicle starts tilting backwards. That's useful for some shortcuts, but in general, you want to hold forward right up until before you hit the ground, and then you want to pull back, because if you didn't know, when you hold all the way forward, you'll actually bounce on the ground if you're tilted forward like that. So if I do it right here, for example, I'm just going to hold forward the whole time. You'll see I actually bounce a little, right? You see that? That actually loses a good amount of time, so you want to do instead is I'll just show you real quick here. You want to hold forward, then pull back at the last second, and then you'll land normally. As when you're pulling back, you'll actually land completely normally and not bounce. But yeah, hopefully this helps a lot of you guys get a lot faster. The main one you really want to learn is delay drifting and wheeling. The rest of it's also really useful though, and it's not really all that hard to do. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one.